you're tired of feeling awkward whenever you need to ask for a testimonial from your client, then this video is exactly for you. I'm going to show you how to build an automation so you can save yourself from that awkward feeling and also get the testimonial using an 8N. By the way, if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Kaylan and I help solopreneurs who work the whole day automate their work so they have more time for themselves. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's immediately get started then. Alright, so right here we have the automation already built out, and I'm just going to go ahead and run it so you can actually see that it works. Alright, and now as you can see, it actually went ahead and finished doing it. So what this automation did right here is it basically went ahead and grabbed the completed projects, and then it went ahead and sent the testimonial request to that person, and that's basically all it does, and it does it every single morning. And as you can see, here's the email sent to the person with the questions, with however you want it to be formatted or whatever questions you want to ask them. But basically, there you go. As you can see, it actually went ahead and it sent it, and it stored that it actually sent the email. Now I'm going to show you how to build this automation for yourself, but if you want the automation, it will be linked down below, so you can just go ahead and download it for yourself. But I'll also show you how to build this automation. So let's go ahead and get started with it immediately. Alright, so the very first thing I want you to have is a Google Sheet document with the following columns: the client name, the client email, the project name, the close date, and the testimonial, whether it was sent or not. So just have that right there. That's all you need to have as a basic requirement. So let's go ahead and build the automation. Alright, so the very first thing that you want to go ahead and put down is that you want to click right there and then type in schedule, so you can have the schedule trigger and it will run daily. So at a specific time you want it to run at, so I'll just put it at 8 every single morning, and then this is what will start the automation. So it'll start at 8 every single morning, and then you want to now go ahead and type in Google Sheets. Click that, and then you want to go ahead and click Get Rows in Sheet. So what this will do is go ahead and grab all of the projects that have already been completed, so you can specifically only send the email to the people whose projects have been completed. Alright, then you basically right here you want to go ahead and pick the document name, whatever you named it right there. So mine is completed projects. The completed projects right there, and then you want to pick the sheet where the information is being stored. So right there, then you want to come here and you want to specifically add a filter, so we only grab the ones who we didn't send an email for or testimonial request for yet. So add a filter, and then the one that you want to filter is the testimonial sent, so you want to leave that blank, so basically it has not been sent yet. Then right after that you want to go ahead and you want to type in Gmail, and then you want to go ahead and you want to click send a message, because you are going to be sending the testimonial request. Alright, then you want to go ahead, put whatever subject you want to put there, and just the email type, change that to text. Then whatever message you want to put there, go ahead and put that there. But then the other thing you want to do is I want you to come here and click add option, append innate and attribution, toggle that off. The sender name, go ahead and put your own name right there. If you do not do it, it will instead replace it with your own email. Then right after that, as you can see, it's showing that right there. So the reason for that is we're still missing information like the subject right here. So I'm just going to change that to an expression, and let's go ahead and execute the workflow so we actually have some test data to work with. Alright, so now that we actually have some test data to work with, it should have given you that error right there. Go ahead and click that open here where it says client email. Go ahead, click on it and drag it to the to field, and then the subject, go ahead and type in whatever subject you want. It doesn't matter, you know what you want. Alright, then the message, go ahead and type it whatever message you want to give them. Alright, so I have already gone ahead and done that. Alright, so there's the name of them gets dragged over there. Now as you can see, it's just like that right there. So the client name, the way you actually bring that there is you also go ahead, you click on it and you drag it all the way there, so it actually saves the name and gets sent with the name to personalize the email. But that's enough of that explanation, and that's all you basically need to do right there. And what you want to go now is type in Google Sheet again, and now we actually want to save it that we already sent the email to that specific client's email. So now you want to go ahead and you want to click update row in sheet, and now you want to go ahead and pick the document name, the completed projects, and then you want to pick the sheet as well where the information is stored. Then the update right here, what you're going to do right here is now you're going to click that delete the name, the client email, I'll leave that right there. We're going to use that to match on the specific email that has already been sent to that client's email already. So delete the project name, the close date, we do not need that. We only need the the testimonial sent and the client email. So what you're gonna do right now is go to the get client's information, click on that, and then you want to drag the client email all the way in there so that it matches where the emails are the same. And then the testimonial sent, you just want to go ahead and type in yes. That means the email has been sent to them. And that's basically everything right there. So let's go ahead and let's run it again. And as you can see right here, email sent is completely empty. So I'll only go ahead and pull that right there. So execute the workflow. All right, now the automation is finished with running, and now you'll see now it's saved it as yes, it has been sent. And let's go ahead and see if it actually sent the email to the person. And as you can see right here, there we go, the email has been sent to the person once again. And as you can see, it actually does go ahead and work. And that's the whole automation right there, plain simple and easy to build for you, so you can immediately get started on using it inside of your business. And don't forget to actually go ahead and publish it so that it's active 24/7, and for you to actually see that it won't send it to the same email again tomorrow. Let's go ahead and execute the workflow, and you'll see that it'll just stop and not even continue. So all it did right there is just stop, because there are no completed projects inside of here where the testimonial sent is empty. So therefore it did not see a need to continue the automation whatsoever. And that's how it works. So I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget you can go ahead and download this automation in the link in the description. But that's all for this video.